Okay, for example, let's click on this extended and let us read what is involved. Look at this. The money score is what 4,008. You can see this is the website and they've raised $19 million. And you can see that it's what point farming. Extended has launched a point farming program. Every week, 1.2 million points will be distributed among traders and liquidity providers. Currently, less than 6,000 users are participating in this activity. This data hive has raised $3.5 million. When you click here, look at this plus sign right here, plus 9, you are going to see all the investors. Look at the tier 1 investors. I know you don't have money right now. And I also understand that you want to hustle legitimately and make money online for yourself. A lot of airdrops in the past were flops. And I also understand that you do not want to waste your time. I understand all of that perfectly. One thing I need you to understand is that the airdrops that you and I did in the past, I mean the popular ones, leveraged more on tax to reward, which is a very low barrier entry. Anyone could just wake up and do them. Anyone could just wake up and join in. And anything that has a low barrier entry, believe you me, the result does not make sense at the end. Mark my words, anything that is easy for a lot of people to start, or anything that is easy for anyone to just start, nothing tangible, believe you me, nothing worthwhile comes out of it most times at the end. Airdrops way back 2017, 2018, when it was less popular, made a lot of people millionaires. And believe you me, to get such results right now, you have to spend some money. But please don't get me wrong, I'm not talking about investment kind of airdrops. No. Most recent airdrops that paid their miners very well were trading volume to reward airdrops, meaning that you have to trade on the platform for you to get rewarded with airdrop. And the airdrop that you're going to get will be determined by the trading volume of your account. Now, there are still totally free airdrops out there which you can do starting from zero. However, there are no guarantees as per if they are going to pay well at the end or not. So, in this video, I've compiled a handful of free airdrops and some trading volume reward airdrops for you to make your choice amongst any of them which make more sense to you. And without further talks, let's jump right into it. This is the website that you have to visit for you to see most of the information that you seek about airdrops. And one thing I love about this website is that you are going to see direct information, okay? But if you're not told and if someone doesn't explain it to you, you may not understand the criteria to figure out the airdrop that is going to pay you and the ones that are not, okay? Now, the first thing you're going to do is this website, okay, cryptorank.io/drop hunting. And once you come here, one of the first things you're going to do is what? Come to this status right here and you select confirmed. It's going to help you a lot. Now, the next criteria that you're going to look out for is to consider those that have good funding and good budgets. Okay, you can see right here, this is the total amount of attracted investments / key investors. Look at this data hive. This data hive has raised $3.5 million. When you click here, look at this plus sign right here, plus 9, you are going to see all the investors. Look at the tier 1 investors. You can look at all of them. Look at the tier 2 investors. Look at the tier 3 and the tier 4. You can see them. And if you click further here, you are going to see the funding details. Okay, you can see the funding details. Okay, yeah, you can see. Okay, you can see. So right now, let us go back. It is very important that you cool down to understand a lot of other things about this website. Now, when you come here, you are going to see what tax type. The ones that will cost you money, look at this. This is data hive and it costs what? $46. This airdrop costs $40 to join. Look at this, the time, the pin. Look at this one pound, it costs 0 to join. Look at this, look at beep, this one costs 109. Look at this, Axis Robotics costs 0. Extended costs $15 with liquidity trading. Okay, this is getting a row. Look at the tax also. The pin social. Okay, this one involves, following on social, doing social tags. Look at this one. This BIP is what? About trading and social. Look at this, getting a row. Look at this, liquidity and trading. Look at this, wallet airdrop status. Look at this, trading. That's why I told you that trading, most of the airdrops that make sense nowadays, they actually work with trading. They consider your trading volume on the platform. They are not just an airdrop platform. They also are an exchange and trading platform. Now, another thing I need you to consider is also this money score. Very important. The money score is provided by Money and is based on the level of attention this profile has received from smart accounts. Now, look at this. Those ones that have very high money score are most likely to do well. Okay, look at this. Look at this guy. 4,867. You can see. And apart from having this high money score, look at this one too. It is also not free. Look at this guy. It costs $15. Okay, look at this guy too. This guy has raised 1.24 billion and it costs nothing. You can see. So someone like, if you're somebody that doesn't want to actually, I'm going to cool down and make dedicated videos in some of these platforms, the one that I will personally choose to do. Okay, I'm going to make videos. I want to give you a general video on this so that you too can immediately start selecting the ones you want and you can do multiple. Okay, that's why I say you should always subscribe to this channel because I bring real value here. Now let us take a look at this MoonPay. The cost is 10 minutes wallet airdrop status. Let us click on it. Now when we click on this, you can see that it has raised what? This MoonPay airdrop has raised what? 1.24 billion. And you can see the website right here. Let us visit on a brand on another tab. Let us also visit this on another tab. Now you can see that the time is 10 minutes, reward type airdrop confirmed, and the reward date is to be ascertained. Okay, yeah. Let me like this. Now when you come down, you see that the pay box is open, available from 29 July, wallet airdrop. You can look at this. Now you can actually look at this and you see the processes, everything that is involved. It says what? MoonPay announced the launch of Paybox, a product that initiates transactions through agents. If you've used Cloud or ChatGPT before, you can connect agents to Paybox and earn reward in USDC. Now, step 1. Go to the website and log in. Link your X and Cloud/GPT accounts, then claim USDC. Due to high traffic, the website is experiencing instability. Okay, now you can see sign in to Paybox. Look at this, continue. Okay, so let us try and do something and let us see what's going to happen. We click on the website and this is the website. Accept the cookies and you can see this is MoonPay. Okay, let us also take a look at what is happening on their X and you can see this is their X. Okay, you can read up a lot of things, about this. Okay, from their X you can get a lot of information about how this works. Okay, so I'm not here in particular to do any particular one. Okay, I want to show you everything that you need to know, but most times nowadays I think I'll focus more on airdrop that costs a little bit, because those ones seem to have more potential of paying or being profitable. Okay, for example, let's click on this extended and let us read what is involved. Look at this. The money score is what? 4,008. You can see this is the website and they've raised $19 million. And you can see that it's what? Point farming. Extended has launched a point farming program. Every week, 1.2 million points will be distributed among traders and liquidity providers. And remember, let me show you something. Remember that before you click this, look at this and look at the tax that is required. Trading is required in this one. Okay, yeah, you mustn't have to win or lose. The most important thing is what? Your trading volume. Okay, and you can see that 1.2 million points will be distributed among traders and liquidity providers. Currently less than 6,000 users are participating in this activity. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is what? Go to website and connect your wallet and create an account. Okay, you can see the next thing you're going to do is what? Fund your extended account. Okay, so you fund. After funding, open the trade tab and start trading. The higher your trading volume, the more points you will earn. You can see it right there. You can also earn points by adding liquidity to the vault. In addition to that, you will earn 20% plus, more than 20% annual percentage yield. The vault is currently full, but the project team periodically increases its size. You can see. Then the next thing you're going to do is what? Track your progress in the points tab and invite friends. You need to make 10K in trading volume to create a referral link. Okay, so You can see. So this is pretty simple. When you go through all of this, you're going to see the one. Just scroll down and go through them and see the one that you can perform. One lovely thing about this is for some of them you don't have to pay anything. Look at this. Okay, 1 minute you can actually fill form right here, and you are good to go for this one. Now let us try this. Okay, let us take a look at this. I mean to say, you go to website to trade. Okay, look at this. Loaf has announced the launch of waitlist. You can enter your email address and sign off for the waitlist to join the private beta and become an early adopter. You can see. So once you join the waitlist, do your stuff, you're going to have the reward. Okay, so it is as simple as this. Okay, choose what you pick, a struggle, choose the one that you feel you can do. Okay, and put in efforts. Okay, and then let's see how this goes. If you don't have money to trade, it's fine. There are those that you don't even need anything. Look at this. Like, look at this. This MoonPay has raised was $1.2 million, and you don't have, it costs nothing. You can see. So go through this, but make sure that before you start, make sure that you use this filter to confirm it. Okay, I don't usually do anything here, but anything you want, you can actually select. There are those mainnet 42. They are the ones for social, fill a form, bounty, testnet, trading, a lot. Okay, mint NFTs, a lot. So feel free, okay, this website, visit it and join the airdrops. Okay, perform tags. Okay, especially if you don't have money for trading and all of that, there are still free ones that you can see to perform right here. Thank you so much for watching till this point. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate you. If you gained value, give me a thumbs up. If you did not, smash this like twice and tell me why in the comments. And with that being said, I'll see you, my friends, in my next video.